Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Leslie Shelton Walters, Frugal Mommy Leslie, as some of you may know me. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time, welcome. I hope you do click that subscribe button by the end of this video. Also click the notification bell, and if you are already a subscriber, welcome back. I know you're back for some Temu. Look, I'm trying this out. So that's what's hanging from my shirt and making it look a little odd. I've got a microphone, so hopefully I don't make too much noise and everything is okay with it. But I don't know. I don't know how it looks like right there. We'll see if it improves the sound quality of my videos. But yeah, I'm finally getting it together, okay? So I've got a mini to mid-size Temu kind of shopping haul for you. It's not going to be huge. It's not going to be a whole lot of try on. It's just some fun stuff that I shopped for that I'm going to share with you. The first thing I'm going to show you is what I've got on right here on my body right this moment. And it's a t-shirt and it says Pumpkin Spice Coffee Club. I think I'm not really in, oh, there it's focusing, or it was. But in any case, I love me some pumpkin spice. I love the fall weather because pumpkin spice, as soon as it comes out in August, I'm here for it. And I'm here for it. I'm pretty much here for it all year round. You can give me pumpkin spice coffee whenever you want to. So here's what it looks like on me right now with the whole ensemble. I have the, I think I have black pants in that picture, right, or the video right here, and I'm still wearing those same black pants today. I just like the look and the fit together. It was it's still very warm out here, so it was just the perfect warm fall complementary outfit for today. So second, I got some clothes. I got some clothes and a few other random items. So second, it says it's right here at my fingertips. I got these. Now, I've never used these before. I actually didn't realize that these were for hyperpigmentation and kind of to, I guess, lighten the hyperpigmentation and everything. I thought these were kind of more for brightening up the skin, giving an even skin tone, maybe clearing out wrinkles. So in any case, they probably kind of do a little bit of that, but I haven't decided whether I'm going to try these or I'm going to send these back. But these are Kojic acid and turmeric cleansing pads. I've just seen girls on TikTok and stuff using the turmeric soap, and their skin is just so luminous and so glowing and pretty. So I wanted to try these. I think I'm still going to try them. I'm just not going to use them often. I'm not going to use them every single day to just cleanse my face and give it that extra glow. Because I don't have a lot of discoloration on my face underneath, you know, this foundation that I have on right now. I do have some like acne scarring and all of that stuff, like a tiny bit. For the most part, I have clearer skin. But we'll see what those do. They come in a pack of 40, and they were, I think, under $6. The prices and everything will be below, so definitely find all of the links for this. By the way, this t-shirt, sometimes I can get a size large and it will be too big. This fits me absolutely perfectly, and I love the fit of this t-shirt. You cannot beat it. I got 2 shirts that were those bodysuit snap on the bottom right here, the bodysuit type shirts. And this one, it's different material than I thought it was going to be. This is very lightweight material, definitely for a hot day with a flutter sleeve. And this is the bodysuit part. I thought it was going to be a little bit thicker material. It's very lightweight material, but it actually looks really pretty on. Here it is over here. Those are the pair of pants that I'm wearing today that I tried with this. Very classy, very stylish. I loved it. I thought it was going to go back when I pulled it out. I was like, I don't know. I don't know how this is going to look, because at first I thought this, because really there is just this one little stitch right here in the front that's holding this drape together. It's really kind of like you could put your hand through this part and touch my belly if you were gonna if you were so inclined while I had this on. So I was like, is that going to be the right? I just don't know how I was going to go together, but it actually looked decent on, and it seemed like nothing's going to fly open while I have it on. It seems like it's going to hold itself together and be okay. So that's a keeper. Next bodysuit type thing that I got was this. It is a white button down. So it's a white button down shirt, you know, normal business kind of shirt, but you can wear it high waisted or what have you because it has the bodysuit snaps at the bottom. So this one fit a little bit tight across the chest area, across the girls. And I don't know. I'm on the fence whether I need a bigger size or not, or just, you know, safety pin it together so that it's okay. I probably will keep it. Again, this thing came so wrinkled. You would not believe how wrinkled this thing was fresh out the bag. I didn't even touch it. It came out wrinkled. So I had to throw this in the dryer to knock the wrinkles out before I tried it on for you, because otherwise you would have been like, girl, what happened? I paired it with these blue slacks. Now these slacks are everything because they fit perfect for me. They fit exactly the way I want to. They're the exact amount of stretch in the material. They look very professional, very business, and I just loved these pants. They went on like butter. They feel like butter. I'm going to get multiple colors if there's other colors. These are just like the perfect, like just wear to work slack or wear to church. Yeah, when you just need something other than jeans to put together with something, and they were high-waisted, they fit just perfect, but they weren't like crazy stupid high-waisted, like you can't breathe kind of thing. Yeah, no, these were good, and I'm so excited about them. I will be looking for the other colors, like maybe black. Next is this really, really awesome sweater. And at first I didn't think that this was going to come through, but it came through, y'all, because this thing is so soft. It's not the itchy material, because I would have thought maybe this would be itchy. Nope. I tried this on with just bare skin and a bra underneath. I was not itching. I was not irritated. I was in love. It's a little bit baggy, a little bit loose, but it's okay. And look at the rhinestone details. Look at that, y'all, because I love a good sparkle moment for real. Okay, so this would be just great pairing with some jeans, wearing on a semi-casual or, you know, day, wearing to a holiday party, anything like that. And I was actually looking to see if the studs of the jewels would come out, you know, if they were sewed in or whatever. It looks like they are kind of studded in there. So I hope that doesn't mean that they will eventually detach and come out. I will probably only wash this in gentle cycle or by hand so that that doesn't happen, because, you know, that's going to ruin the whole sweater. If just one little diamond goes away, you're going to feel like, man, that just messed the whole thing up. Yeah, it says hand wash. So hand wash or gentle cycle. So we're going to be very gentle with this. We're going to be very sweet and kind to her, but it's a beautiful sweater, very comfy, very warm, and not itchy. Okay. The next few things that I have were just some assorted things that I was going to just have. So first of all, I've gotten, like, one of my first Temu hauls, I got a mop, one of those spin mops from Temu. So I got some replacement mop heads. I realized these are machine washable, if you did not know. So I actually I ordered these before I realized that they were machine washable through Google search. And so I washed my old one and now it looks brand new. But in any case, even once that wears out, I will have these. There's a pack of 5 and I will have these to replace in the future for the spin mop. I also got, because it's my daughter's birthday very soon, and we are going to have a party at a place called Main Event. So we got this for the cake. It's going to be a cake topper. It says 12th birthday. And then here's the card. I thought this was funny. Thanks for being my daughter. If I had a different daughter, I would punch her in the face and go find you. Because that's kind of the humor that my daughter likes. So not your normal run-of-the-mill, birthday card, but it really tickled me. So I thought that was funny. These are 3. Oh, let me pull it back out. These were Shaping Bodywear. Now I think these might go back because the initial interest of them was I got a beige one. There's a black one and a brown one. So it was a pack of 3 for about like 16, I think. But I liked it because it had the, so you could go to the bathroom. You're not struggling to pull them down in the bathroom. You can undo the strap in the middle and everything. I didn't find that it did a whole lot of holding me in. These aren't like the toppest body shaping wear, but they still do work. And so of course you don't get the thigh shaping because there's no thigh part to it. It's just really midsection. It doesn't lift up the girls. And it doesn't do very much for the booty either. Not really. So those might go back, even though I like the colors. I like having colors that are somewhat closer to my skin tone, but those might go still back. Also, in the fray are these leggings. Oh, I paired these leggings with the pumpkin spice shirt. So no, I have a different pair of pants on today. These leggings are going back for sure, because they were too big. I will show you again here, but I actually got these leggings to go with my, in my previous haul, I got a sweatshirt from Temu and it was a Little Debbie snack cake sweatshirt. And so I wanted to kind of match that Little Debbie motif. And this is, it's the season with the Little Debbie snack cakes on it. But this thing is too big. It's the size I always get, large. But these were gaping and huge. I think they're supposed to fit like leggings. At least in the picture, they fit like leggings. Or something in between leggings or joggers. They're legging material. Okay, there's nothing jogger about them, but it was like they took legging material and tried to make it fit like a jogger, and it just didn't work. It didn't work. They were drooping and gaping in the tummy part. I don't know what this was supposed to be, but this was very disappointing because I wanted it to work with my Little Debbie sweatshirt. That would have been a really cute Christmas outfit. Last but not least, just 3 more items. Next, I got this bonnet. I got this one bonnet from Temu maybe about a year ago, and I've been trying to find a bonnet that was as good as that one because that was such good quality, beautiful color, and I just haven't found it. This one's kind of on the cheap side, so it'll do. It's fine, for what it is. It's just not that quality one that I wish, like, they sold out, of course, of that other one that I got. It's just that it was made kind of quickly. If you can see that right there. Oof. Anyway, you probably can't see, but it's just like a little gaping in the, that's gonna rip eventually and make a hole, and I don't know. I might send this back because Yeah, it's not gonna last very long. It's just gonna rip. I could get a better one at a beauty supply store probably. I'll keep trying. I'll keep trying with Temu and the bonnets. I'm sorry. This one is wig tape. I haven't used one of these in a long time, double-sided wig tape, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it again. I got a whole big pack of because I don't like using glue or the spray, the setting spray. So we'll try the wig tape, see if that helps. All right, guys, the last thing. It's a bracelet and necklace combo. I've been just really loving the Van Cleef dupe, kind of, you know, the motif, the dupe life. And I thought these were so beautiful. So it is a double-sided chain. Now, I should have thought this out just a little bit better because I forget that when you have these kind of double-sided necklaces, they wrap around each other, and then by, you know, every hour you're having to undo it because it just looks like a big jumbled mess across your chest because it doesn't want to hang or behave. But that's what the necklace is like. And then the bracelet, which actually looks kind of long, you're gonna have to cinch it a lot. Is this the bracelet? You know what? Let me hang on and I'll put it on for you. All right. Okay. This is the benefit of actually trying something on, because what I figured is the necklace is double, so is the bracelet. It's not just one big bracelet, it is a double chain for the bracelet too, which matches the necklace. So both of them are gonna risk getting tangled around one another, but that's the bracelet. And here is, ooh, Lord, don't fall over. Here is the necklace. So I hope it doesn't hit my microphone too much, but it hangs like that. I'm actually going to keep it on. I'm not going to take it off. We're going to wear it the rest of the day. So that is that. If you made it to the end, thank you so much. I hope you liked my little Temu haul. I love shopping at Temu. I love shopping. I love frugal shopping. I love cheap shopping. I love getting a deal. I love getting a bargain. And Temu mostly doesn't disappoint. It does its job and it's good. And I love it. And I, of course, will be ordering again. So find all of those links below. Let me know what you thought of everything that I get. Because you guys be quiet. You're quiet. Tell me. Talk to me. Give me something. Give me some feedback. And yep, click that subscribe button also as well. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.